channel. I'm going to shuffle cards for Sagittarius love life. What's happening in Sagittarius love life from 1st to 15 September? Sagittarius love life, 1st to 15 September cards. Please tell me what's happening in Sagittarius love life. Okay. Clarify Four of Pentacles. Clarify Justice. Clarify Nine of Swords. Clarify Four of Pentacles. Clarify Justice. Clarify Nine of Swords. Okay, Sagittarius. I have very clear answers for you. First of all, I got the card of deep thinking. I got the card of a person who is keeping eye on you, but not saying anything. Who has so much to say you, but keeping and hiding it, keeping inside and hiding it. Okay, the person is trying to balance the situation alone. That person is maybe trying to avoid you or something like this. um I think that person I think that person is looking you that you are with someone. um, that person is dreaming about being in relationship, being a good relationship, but that person is thinking about you. That person is not saying anything, but have so many plans, thinking about you, or maybe looking you, observing you that you are with someone else, maybe. And then the next card we have is about the clarity. That clarity will be little bit make someone upset, but it can create stress. But that clarity will be good for someone because it will clear so many things. And I think that someone will forgive or forget somebody, so it is a little bit tough situation. Okay, then we have is change, is desire, is yin and yang. It is about I think that one of you will realize that we need to change things, we need to upgrade things. And so that thought will lead your uh, connection towards something strong as stability. Because one of you will understand that if I did 60% and that person and you did 40%, so I will do 50% and that person will do 50%, so it will become 100%. So both of you will realize where you were lacking and where you were weak in this relationship. So I think your relationship will become strong. It can be stronger or it can be weaker. There is no middle point or in cards. It can be stronger or it can be weaker in this week. So you have to see that what is happening with you. Someone is thinking to make it stronger, someone will try 100% to make it stronger, but the somebody will realize and get the clarity of being isolated and will move away and go away from all the stress and will live alone for some time. So it can be stronger, it can be weaker. It's up to depend your birth chart. This was your ring. If something resonated, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.